Hey guys, welcome to the Qasr El Sarab Desert Resort by Anaterra. The name Qasr El Sarab basically means Palace of the Mirage. The castle-like resort is located on the outskirts of Abu Dhabi, which is the world's largest sand desert. It's about a 2.5-hour drive from the city of Abu Dhabi and 3.5-hour drive from Dubai. They do offer airport and transfer services within the UAE, depending on the type of car selected. If you drive here by yourself, then remember after the security check, there's still about 30 minutes drive to reach the resort main entrance. Hey guys, welcome back to Travel with Jenny. We are here at one of the most popular desert resorts in Abu Dhabi.
Yep, so today we're going to take you guys through the hotel, check out the deserts as well. But first, let's get some breakfast.
Yeah, join us for breakfast.
Yep.
So the breakfast buffet is complimentary for all the guests. The resort is basically in the middle of the desert, so you have nowhere else to dine out.
The hotel features different desert activities like camel ridings or fat biking. But for those activities, I would recommend you guys to reserve it online, because if you come and book it the day off, then they might be running out of bikes or camels.
And the charge is about 400 dirham each activity per person. That's also the difference between Anaterra and Omaha. So Omaha, I heard they offer 2 free activities, but Anaterra you have to pay for every activity. But we'll also take you guys to Omaha in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. What's his name?
Oreo. So she's named after the cookie.
So cute. How old is him?
Well, Oreo we're producing between 1 and 2 because she's a rescued bird. We didn't actually raise Oreo from day 1.
Okay.
So because of that, the color of the feathers they're producing, she's between 1 and 2.
Okay. And they're getting how old?
So they can survive up to 14 years.
Okay.
Yes. But that's like the least for all birds of prey, because we have other birds which can survive 20 to 25, other 30 to 40 years, some even 40 to 60 years.
This one is called za'atar. So what is za'atar?
So za'atar is basically just a spice mix, usually along with sesame seeds. It's usually used as a breast spread. Do you like it?
It's okay.
Yeah. You know, some people love it.
They have servers from all around the world. So there was a guy just came to us and speak Mandarin, and he's from Taiwan. Alright, let's explore a little bit inside the hotel with us.
Shed a little light on this. The stars are gonna help you see. I'm gonna do my best and welcome you peacefully. Honey, you should get some rest. Tomorrow's gonna be a long, long, long day. Shed a little light on this. Everything's meant to be. We don't get the things we want, but we get just what we need. Faith can be a walking dream. Thankfully I'm here to hold you all day. We're not supposed to understand this grand old story right from these here pages. While we're so close, your time is defined by age. I will wear your love around my neck, put your hand over my heart as dark as just before the dawn. Then the sun comes up and hope is here. I will pray for you, my dear, pray for you, my dear.
The resort sits among the incredible rolling red and orange dunes of the world's largest uninterrupted sand desert. Compared to other desert resorts, a lot of visitors agree Qasr El Sarrab has the most beautiful desert in the UAE. The desert has a beauty that is always present, imposing and ever-changing, hot in the days, cool in the night. Alright, let's take to the sands on foot to experience the beauty that is the desert. Alright, after the short tour of the hotel, let me take you guys to a room tour. This is a basic garden view room. Accommodations are broken into 140 rooms, 14 suites, and 42 villas. The standard rate for a garden room is starting from around $400 which is not bad compared to another very popular desert resort, Al Maha, that starts from $2,000 a night. I would definitely recommend staying at least 2 nights to fully experience the unique desert resort.
Room service menu, which is open 24 hours for you in case you want to order anything. Complimentary bottles of water. In case you finish, you can give us a call. We send housekeeping to replace new one. Ice bucket if it needs to be refilled. We send room service for this. Over here you have coffee and tea amenities. So in case in the morning you want to have coffee or in the evening tea, up to you. You have a kettle as well. Over here you have a minibar as well. You can see it's already filled, but it's going to be like has extra charge.
Okay.
So this is what we offer. Yeah. Box, if you want to keep any documents, you will find it over here, the safe box, so you can choose the code. Over here you will find all the QR codes for our services, so you can scan it and you can have a look of what we offer and the prices. This is your bathroom, so as you can see it's quite big. You have bathtub and shower. So the bathroom lights only over here. Amenities in the wardrobe as well. As you can see, you have ironing boards, bathrobe, anything you need. It's just over here. But if something that's missing, also in the bathroom dental kit, something that needs to be replaced, we can do it for you.
Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, we just ordered room service. So here we have the mixed Arabic grill, as you can see, which has lamb chops, it has beef skewers, chicken skewers, and on the bottom there's actually rice as well. It looks really good and smells really good. Also we ordered an order of salad, tabbouleh. This is a traditional Arabic salad, just like the fattoush that we had. So tabbouleh is made mostly with finely chopped parsley, tomatoes, mint, onions, and seasoned with olive oil. and it's supposed to be pretty sour. So, alright, let's try it out. Wow, it's pretty good. So I just had the lamb skewers. There's not that lumpy flavor, so they did really well with the seasoning. It's really tender and juicy as well. So.我还在网上看评论，说酒店好，食物怎么样？还可以，还不错。
Lamb chop.
There you go.
So, for the meal, the total is about 328 dirham, which is about $100.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
For some reason, they only give us 1 fork. But since I'm Asian, I can make my own chopstick.
I teach 观众朋友们 how to eat like Arabic.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to eat like local people. So the locals love to eat the rice dishes with their hands. So basically, you just grab a bunch of rice with these 4 fingers like this, and then push it into your mouth with your thumb like this. Definitely wash your hands before you try this though.
Sorry, I prefer my Asian style.
I think this is more traditional.
We're just walking around after the meal.
And we're looking for the place for shisha. So we tried to order it for, as part of the room service, but they said that's not available anymore due to safety reasons. So right now we're walking to a open barbecue area, and that's where we heard that they have shisha. The environment here is really nice, huh?
Yeah.
So they usually have belly dance here at night for the guests here, but tonight the workers are off. What's today? Today is
Sunday.
yeah, so they're off on Sundays, I guess.
Hey guys, so we just left the shisha place and went back to change. Join me for a late night workout.
Sometimes I need a light when the moon is low. Sometimes I need some loving when my feelings show. Although I never found a way to let you know, I also never found a way to let you go. And now I see that look shining on your face. Your smile is warming up just like a sunny place. My worries disappearing, all my fears erased. You're my happy place. When do we ever know, dear, what's in front?
Just finished my workout, so their fitness center is not bad. They have weight training section and cardio section, and then a stretching room. Actually, they have an InBody here. That is a plus. Usually, hotel fitness room doesn't have that. I definitely recommend you guys try a desert resort if you come to Dubai or Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to watch my Omaha episode so you guys can compare the top 2 desert resorts in UAE. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you next time.